You're going to be reading for the sign of Leo. All that you need to know about your person moving forward. So let's see what's coming up for you guys. Let's take 3 cards for you and then we'll move on to your person. What is happening with Leo for the next couple of weeks from now to the end of the month, please? Right now with Queen of Cups, you do think of someone. Okay, you do have feelings for someone, but in the past you could have been bit like wishy-washy. You did not know whether you should be a part of it. Let it go. Like keep your options open. But right now I see you thinking of someone. Like very much in your feelings. Okay, one more card for Leo. Some of you might be dealing with a water sign as well. Doesn't have to be. Okay, you definitely miss someone. Okay, whatever sign he or she may be, but I do think you're missing someone. You're thinking very much of them. Okay, one more card for Leo. What is to come for Leo for the next couple of weeks, please? With the Hierophant card, I feel you have someone on your mind who is not giving you commitment, okay, but you have like solid attraction for them. Energetically you feel very aligned with them, like very connected with them, but yet this person isn't really giving you that answer, or giving you that energy where you feel like it might go towards a commitment or something long term, okay. But right now I see you very much missing them, thinking of them, wanting them in your life, wishing that they were acting right, okay. In terms of your connection, one card for your connection, Leo. In terms of your connection, you really love this person. For selected few of you, this could be a very much a new soulmate. Doesn't have to be, like when I mean new, this could be like someone you've met 3 months ago. Okay, past could be someone you've known for a while, like a year or two. But for selected few of you, this could be a new person. Okay, I see a lot of water. To be honest, water in Taurus is very strong. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Taurus. So yes, in terms of that, I do feel you have lots of feelings for this person. You do want to move forward. Okay, in terms of what's this person up to, Leo soulmate, what's this person up to? Four of Wands. Please tell me more about this. Sorry. With Two of Swords, like when it comes to you, this person might not be making that decision of moving forward, of working things out. Like they are taking forever to to make that decision to come forward. Okay, selected few of you, this person might already be having someone else in the picture. Okay, like they do have a third party. Selected few, this person could be already married, or in a committed relationship. That's the reason why they cannot offer you commitment. Okay, if it's not that, then I see this person being very focused on their financial and family life. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you now, how do they really think about you now? With Ace of Pentacles, they do look at you as a real deal, as someone who's very honest, someone who's like who they can hold on to for a long term, someone who they can trust. Okay, they also feel like you are very stable financially, emotionally, in terms of a partner. Okay, one card for their energy towards you now. What's their energy towards you? In terms of their energy, we have the Tower card. So you guys might have had a small fallout in the recent past. Things are not very good. They were holding back. Being a Leo, you could have exploded a bit, or said something or done something that kind of pissed them off. Okay, but they do look at you as a real deal. Okay, like so spirit, like what's the major blockage that could be getting in the way? What would the major blockage that could be getting in the way right now with Leo and their soulmate? With Six of Wands, your person could be someone who gets a lot of attention. Okay, someone who is very well-to-do, someone who is very good-looking, someone who's a attention seeker basically, and they don't mind attention coming from all sides. So that could be very much getting in the way for selected few of you. Okay, this person could also be having multiple options, and they are not making their decision based on this. Okay, one more card for like what else do we see like blocking this connection? What else do we really see blocking this connection? Yeah, with Nine of Cups, this person could be a bit selfish, all about themselves, all about their dreams, their goals, their passion, like getting somewhere financially or in terms of their career as well. Okay, they look at themselves as a bigger, a better person. Okay, so yes, Like one card for like what do they really want with Leo now? What do they really want with Leo now? What does this person really want with Leo? Right now with Temperance card, they may be looking forward to, like fixing things with you, or getting on the same page as you. They no longer want to fight with you or have any sort of argument, or like any sort of a clash with you. Okay, in the recent past this person could have cold and detached towards you, but right now I see them wanting to fix things, or wanting to stay open. Okay, like not really close themselves completely. Okay, they're open for compromise. Okay, but like what exactly are they looking forward to have with Leo? What exactly are they looking forward to have with Leo now? Some of you, this might be someone you've met at work. Okay, in terms of like what are they looking forward to, I won't promise you much, but they do want to balance it out with you in terms of if you guys have had any sort of fight or any sort of past issue where things could be getting in the way. They want to sort that, they want to fix that. Okay, they want to be equal, or peaceful with you now. Okay, one more card. In terms of their feelings, what do they truly have for Leo? In terms of their feelings, what do they truly have for Leo now? In terms of their feelings with Strength card, this is someone who you considered friend once, and they also consider you a friend. But in terms of feelings, this person is resisting a lot, like they are holding back whole a lot. In the past, they were behaving very friendly and very warm with you, but in terms of emotionally being available, I do not see that. Okay, one more card. Like what do they really have in their heart space for Leo? In terms of their heart space, they might have attracted you in whatever means, like seducing you, maybe selected you, like being a hot and cold. When you are hot and cold towards a Leo, that somewhat gets a Leo's attention, because Leo gets so much attention and Leo is unbothered about attention, right? And when someone is not giving them attention, that is something, right? So I do feel with the Magician card, this person was trying to get your attention whole a lot in the past, but when they got your attention, they suddenly ghosted you. They were behaving all detached, unbothered, and like uninterested, like totally in like completely not interested at all. Okay, with bottom card with Page of Cups, they did show some sort of interest. That's the reason why you were open to them, and then you start developing feelings, wanting them. And once a Leo is in love, Leo is madly in love. Okay, sometimes it's very obsessive and very addictive when you guys just want to see them, meet them, snuggle, cuddle, do whole lot of shit. Okay, one more card. For how do they view you now in terms of partner? How do they view you in terms of partner? In terms of a partner with Wheel of Fortune, for some stupid reason, they feel like things cannot work right now. Right now may not be the right time. Okay, they may be very hot and cold towards you. Sometimes they are trying to keep themselves open. Sometimes they are completely closing themselves off. In the recent past, they could have ghosted you, or suddenly stopped like communicating with you. So that is all is happening. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you now, what are their intentions towards Leo Spirit? In terms of their intention with Eight of Swords right now, they could be not exactly in the mood to like completely stay open for a connection or for a relationship. Reason being, they feel blocked, they feel like they have to end something, or possibly like let go of something, like before choosing you they feel stuck somewhere. Okay, so in terms of intentions, to be honest, this person might have come to you for your advice or for your honest opinion, and they enjoyed the conversation with you, and then things could have started after that. Okay, but right now in terms of intention, they are not exactly being very open towards the relationship part of it. Okay, one card for what action do they want to take towards you now? What action do they want to take towards you? In terms of action, they still want to keep themselves open in terms of a friend, a soulmate, but in terms of relationship, they are not exactly opening themselves up. They are not wanting to express their feelings. They do like you a lot. Okay, they might also have feelings, but not that sort of feelings with where they just pour themselves like into you. In that manner, I don't see this happening. Okay, with the Judgment card, they still have a decision to make. They still have to choose something, and they have to let go of something, like before coming towards you. So this is a bit messed up more than you think. Okay, One card for where this is going for now. Where is this connection going for now? With King of Pentacles, I still see you both being very focused on your own self, okay, still holding on to your own self. Yes, you might still be trying to keep communication open, but in terms of a relationship, I do not see it like coming to a solid conclusion, okay. I still see you guys being focused on your own self, okay. In terms of what are they hiding from you, right now with Seven of Wands, they are not exactly ready for a relationship, just like I've told you, okay. And there could be someone else in the picture, like a second option, okay. Like in terms of what do they want from you now, what exactly do they want from you now? Right now with Six of Swords, this person is not wanting to invest emotionally, so I don't think like they'll be like available for you in terms of relationship. So what do they want? They want you, but they do not want to exactly involve themselves in this connection, okay. So friends, or as how do I put it, like friends with benefits also could be, but in terms of relationship, not so open, okay. With Ten of Wands, this person might also need your help in terms of dealing with their problems. If they have any sort of problem, they might need your help as well, so they might want you to travel to them in order to help them. So that could be, okay. So what else should you be knowing about this person? What else should Leo be knowing about this person? Okay, we have work over love, okay. So this person is choosing work over love. What else? Questioning, doubts and confusion. So you guys could be questioning a lot, or you have been questioning a lot. You definitely have doubts, reason being there's so much confusion going on, okay. One more card, like what can you look forward to in this connection? Expect a positive change, okay, but this might take time. I do see it going in a positive direction. Regarded, you give it time. Be patient, give them space, relax, trust. Okay, so this that does have a potential of moving forward, but for now, this person isn't exactly open towards the relationship part of it. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Leo. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you want a personal reading from me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you for coming in, and thank you for all your support so far. I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.